Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I'm making some faux botanical homemade paper. And this is going to be some paper I'm going to put in my little golden book, Wonders of Nature Junk Journal. And I believe what I'm going to do is use this tan colored sketch paper to make a pocket for this brown page. And because it's going to be across from this spring paper, I'm going to look for some pink flowers and foliage to put on here, and maybe some spring colors, and make this some springy faux botanical homemade paper. All right, I'm going to gather up some supplies. And here's what I found. I have some tiny pieces of a pink fabric, a light green fabric, some scraps of dark pink thread, and some gold thread. I have a great big jar of gold glitter and some pressed flowers in pink and some leaves. So I picked out some dark pink, light pink, and some white flowers and cut up one of the leaves into a few pieces. I'm going to take these off and then put some Mod Podge on this paper. Put a little bit in a cup. I'm just going to place these around. A little white one. Oh, boy, once they're down, they're down. Okay, I'm going to put a little Mod Podge on top of the flowers, hold them down. Okay, now I'm just going to sprinkle a few threads, a few pieces of fabric, a couple pieces of green fabric, lightly sprinkle it on, a little bit of gold thread. I feel like I'm doing a recipe. And a tablespoon of glitter. Okay, this is the back of a napkin that I used on my other botanical papers. And I'm just going to lay it carefully down on my card there. And give it a nice thick coating of Mod Podge. Kind of start in the middle and work your way to the edge. Be careful you don't rip the tissue paper. It's really back of a napkin paper. As this dries, it'll get more transparent. Right now it looks a little opaque. Now I'm going to lift it up. And put it down on this Ranger mat to dry so it doesn't stick. Okay, now it's dry. Kind of pretty. Just a hint of pink. A little bit of sparkle. You can see the flowers and the leaves, but yet it's kind of subdued. Just make it look like it's actually in the paper. So right now I'm just going to rip off this tissue paper. Okay, that looks pretty next to the spring page. So what I'm going to do right now is go over to the sewing machine and just sew this on like a pocket. And I'll be right back. And there you have it. Well, the cat jumped up on my shoulder while I was at the sewing machine. I went a little crooked there, but that's okay. It looks kind of rustic. Say hello to the people. Say hello to the people. I can put that back in here. I think these papers are really pretty and they're so much fun to make. I really want to make another one. Maybe I'll make another one for a different journal. Just want to thank you for coming along today and happy making!